Adisadel 3.
It meant that me conquer Siam Adisadel.
What did you know by then? What you from GSS? You didn't know anything about this school.
You see, that is a spirit.
You saw some old boys, or maybe
never.
your father told you, you passed, you went there to see how the school was. Oh.
I had never been to Cape Coast. I had never gone to Adisadel. But you know what? I think it was in 1995 or 96, if I can remember very well. During the then brilliant sense of
man-side squeeze,
yes. So I love it. So I was watching it, and then I'll never forget, Mom, yeah. I mean, he represented
Adisco with 10 men, remind?
Yes.
10 men was my mate.
Okay.
Oh,
So, when the then professor, Irama Ademe, has
rest in perfect peace.
I am a trig. That was a riddle, the fifth. It was then the fifth round.
Yeah.
I am a trig.
First preamble.
Trig ni crazy. Uncle Becca, I am a trigonometrical ratio, but I am a trig.
And Mom stepped on it.
One of them say, Kai.
This is the school you want to be. So that really, the science quiz really saw you say, no, this school I need to be there. Charlie. Maybe more Mutie school connect, so maybe some Obisbeti can say Charlie. Atabe can't be bina. It clicked me. But what clicked you to go to this school?
What clicked me? Not me in Penny for Hodada.
The family of Adisadel.
That's it. Mr. Brothers. Benjamin Kwakwa, Emmanuel Kwakwa.
The Kwakwa brothers?
Yes. So now, me know in the Busia Bako.
Okay.
And you might be kind of
Adisco.
Yes. So based on that, a bedane a Busia, a mamre say.
And today, Munya Mumani never called Adisco.
Right. And a cobades.
So that what triggered you?
Yes.
Yeah, I think basically I'm just as my brother has shared, because we did basically everything together. Yeah, so I remember so well. I mean, it was then, that.
But you didn't see a certain precise or something doing magic or something.
I think it was 95. So there was this OAS boy, Peter Azuri. Yes, OAS boy. And so that year, the science and maths quiz, it was really between Adisadel and Opokuware.
But Presec won it?
Yeah, Presec won it anyway. They won it. They came through the back door because they messed some allo schools and other things, and they were.
Remember, they were always chastising her.
Yeah, you see.
She was always for
Presec.
Their campus, their dining hall.
Yes.
I think that the beginning they had that advantage. Yes. They took us out in '96, the semi-finals, and there was so much argument then.
Yeah, so we loved it same, and then both of us were watching it, and I said, and the uniform was so beautiful. Can you imagine? I mean,
that was then the zebra still.
It's still the zebra.
Is it a zebra?
College, the only educational.
Then it was it black and white? No, it was blue.
Yeah, it was somehow blue.
Yes, blue.
No, it wasn't actually blue. It was a blue black. It's blue black. It's not blue. It's
like
when
when
the blue becomes more evident.
Yes.
Okay.
But it's blue black.
So
yeah.
Was it a dream that took you to Adisco?
It was a dream. In fact, for me, in JSS, I went to a boys' boarding school.
Okay.
The oldest school in Ghana.
Don't I?
Salem Boys Boarding.
Salem. Osu. Oh, great.
Salem Boys Boarding. It was a boys' school.
Charlie, this was inborn.
Oh, God bless you. If I say this and you say that, you understand.
Charlie, hard guy from day one. And I wanted to go to a high school, hard school.
Hard school. So the inspiration was born from there. And I had some uncles who had also attended Adisadel. It made the choice sweet and smooth. It was the dream come true.
So you didn't think of any school than Adisadel?
I, in fact, to be fair, even if I had gone to another school, I'm sure I'd have regretted like you always regret.
You'd have dropped
I'd have been a dropout. I'd have been a dropout.
So you risked going to Adisco?
Oh, the dream come true.
You've never regretted?
In fact, I think one of the things all of us share here is when you leave Adisadel College, the Adisadel spirit in you always wants to make sure that you are part of the best people in anything you do. Whatever you choose to do, you're looking to be amongst the best.
Yeah.
Either the first or with the first.
So
And that's why you see us
number
going.
one.
God bless you. I like you are always mentioning number one as a former. But look at what the guy did.
Yeah.
Let's be fair. He changed lives in Ghana.
And you people are proud of him.
Oh, we are
We
let's
are
be
proud
fair.
of him as a Santa Claus.
Claus, that's what I'm saying.
Yes, and as a person, not everybody may have a good life.
Yeah.
But it doesn't make him less a human being.
You okay?
Exactly. Look, some of us, you see, in life, all fingers are not the same.
Yeah.
And you see some of your mates who may have taken a different channel. But even in that space where you find them, they're also doing better than everybody in that space.
True.
Our guys have been inbuilt with the knowledge that either the first or with the first. And it's one of the best things you can ever take out of Adisco. You see that it runs through all of us.
Yeah.
Whoever you meet who's been to Adisadel College, he has focus, he's aiming for the best in life, he's looking to be the best among the best and deliver the best. So college top, people top,
Okay.
guys top.
Okay.